Heroku app runs locally but gets H12 timeout error, uses a package. Similar questions have been asked, but the H12 seems to be caused by many things and none of the answers apply here. I have built Python apps with Heroku before, but now I'm using a package structure per Miguel Grinberg's Flask mega tutorial and I can't figure out what's wrong. My app is Python or Flask or SQL Alchemy with a Heroku Postgres database. The app fully works locally. When I push to Heroku, I get an H12. Here is my app structure. A un.py looks like this. An app __init__.py looks like this. My proc file is web column gunicorn run column app. I'm using the Heroku database locally and remotely. The app works perfectly on my local machine, on 0.0.0.0:5000. But when I push to Heroku and run the app, here's the logs. I've played with different options. At first I got a connection in use error, which I fixed by going into debug equals false, but frankly I'd rather be in debug equals true. There seems to be a problem with the fact that my main app is not in the root directory. Thanks in advance.
The issue is that run.py unguardedly calls app.run. This actually calls worksup.serving.run_simple, which starts a sub-process to handle incoming requests, which you don't want to do when running under gunicorn, since gunicorn will handle the process management for you. Simply add an if __name __equals __main ___ guard before your app.run call and everything should work.
Forms hold app, just so you can insert